Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today's video is going to feature some classy short hairstyle ideas. So here we see this beautiful bob haircut for the first hairstyle. And then we move into this beautiful bob haircut transformation. This one features gorgeous bangs. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give today's video a thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see another gorgeous blunt color bob. And then we see a bob haircut transformation. She got this beautiful platinum coloring, followed by this beautiful peach colored bob haircut. I absolutely adore this hair coloring. This is so beautiful. Next up, another blunt cut bob. Gorgeous curtain style bangs going in the front. Beautiful. Then we have another blonde cut bob. And then we have another bob makeover. This one is going to feature some chunky highlights, color mixture, and some layers. Very trendy hairstyle. Loving the layers that the stylist added in. The color looks gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.